Oh my god, this is so good.
Another day, another mukbang. And for today's mukbang, I'm so excited to share with you the Filipino snacks we have here all the way from Texas. So we have bibingka, we have puto bisaya, and three different kinds of suman. We have suman malagkit, suman balanghoy, and suman moron. And I really want to give a huge shout out to Yummy's Filipino Lechon for sending me these very delicious snacks. It reminds me a lot of home and I'm really excited to try them because it's been a while I haven't tried these snacks. So first, let's try this one, which is the puto bisaya. It smells so good and it's so moist. Look at that. Wow. Let's try breaking this into half. Ooh. Cheers.
Oh my god, this is so good. Grabe kalami o ka moist. This is so good.
I thought I will never be able to eat this again here in America. So thank you so much, Yummy's Filipino Lechon. Second one, we have the bibingka. Look at that, it's cooked perfectly. It's golden brown. Ooh. It smells really, really good as well. Okay, cheers. Mmm.
So good. Wow. This is so delicious. I give this one 8 out of 10. This one is 9 out of 10. That's really, really good. I love this one I love this one better compared to this one. But they're both really, really good. Sinusunok na ako. Let's transfer here to the other side para makita niyo ang ating mga suman. So here, let's try this one. I think this is the suman moron. Here. Wow, look at that. This looks so pretty. Cheers! Wow. This is so delicious. Grabe, this is so delicious. Oh my god. So next suman we have, I think this is the suman balanghoy. Oh, is this? No, actually this is not. Actually this is not balanghoy. I thought this is balanghoy, but hindi actually. This is budbud pilit. Okay. Taste test. This one's really, really good kasi hindi siya masyadong matamis. I like it so much. Hindi nakakaumay. So third one, I think this is now the suman malagkit. Is this suman malagkit? Okay, this one actually is still budbud or suman malagkit. Lami siya.